Hi, welcome. I'm Dr Khaled Sadek and you're watching my fantastic YouTube channel. Today's video is once again dedicated to helping everybody do the best they can staying safe amidst the corona pandemic. So I've dedicated my platform on cysts and lipomas to produce information videos which will help individuals staying safe at home. Now, if you haven't seen my last video on isolating and shielding the most vulnerable individuals, then please check that out. The link is up there above. In the next clip, I'm going to show you how to wash your hands properly and thoroughly to make sure that your hands are as clean as they can be. We all know that part of the combat against coronavirus is to wash your hands as frequently as possible. Some say almost as much as every 2 hours, especially when you're coming in from the outdoors or greeting people and so forth. We know that the virus can live on surfaces as well as the air, and so hand hygiene is particularly important, especially knowing that the human race touches its face several hundred times a day. So making sure your hands are clean will mean that you're less likely to transmit that virus into the respiratory system. So please watch the video and enjoy it. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, like and share as usual. Enjoy the video. Till next time. So now we'll demonstrate how you can wash your hands effectively against the coronavirus. So we're going to start off demonstrating clean hands. Going to apply some paint to demonstrate where we're painting. Going to start off by washing your palms equally. We're then going to wash in between the fingers, and then in between the fingers from the top end. Remember to do both sides equally. Then going to get the fingertips and rub them in a clasp-like manner, as well as rub them into the fine palms of the hands. This is to make sure that the fingernails are also given a good scrub. Next, we're going to move on to the thumb. And then the final part is the top of the wrist. Try and do this over a 20-second period with warm water and soap.